Hi, this is Scott from Shure. In this video, we'll configure a P300 with multiple 910s and additional mics. We're in a training room that seats 30 people. We'll be using two MXA910s, picking up the audience, for video conferencing, and a twin-plex lav into a microflex wireless transmitter for picking up the presenter, me, for video conferencing and local sound reinforcement. All mics are routed through the auto-mixed output of a P300, which you're hearing me through now. We will configure our system using Shure Designer software. This software tool allows us to easily configure the P300 and the MXA910s from one application. We have already configured the lobes for this room. We are in live mode on the signal flow page, and the MXW lav has already been routed to the P300 so you can hear me for this video. We're going to route the auto-mix outputs of the 910s to inputs 1 and 2 on the P300. Also, our MXA910s require a reference signal for their AEC, so we're going to route Dante output 1 of the P300 to the MXA910's AEC reference in. Now that the audio has been routed, we can use the Auto Configure button to quickly optimize settings on the 910s and P300, as shown in a previous video. Let's go to the configuration page of the P300, label our output, open the matrix mixer, and route all the far-end sources to the 910 AEC ref Dante output. All far-end sources have already been routed to the speakers with the out-of-the-box settings. Now we'd like to add a microflex wireless mic. We will need to bring the mic into two separate channels at the P300, one for video conferencing and one for sound reinforcement. We use Dante controller software to route the MXW APT lav output to the P300 inputs 3 and 9. Let's go back to the P300's configuration page. To feed the mic into the room's loudspeakers for local sound reinforcement, open the matrix mixer and route input 9 to analog to speaker. For the best audio quality at the far end, we don't want the 910s picking up the sound of the lav being reinforced in the room. We can use the AEC on the 910 to remove the sound of the mic coming through the speakers. In the Matrix Mixer tab, route Dante input 9 to 910 AEC ref. The lav mic will need a different AEC reference than the 910s. The P300 defaults to analog to speaker as the AEC reference, but since we've routed the mic to this output, it would cancel itself out. We will create a new reference signal in the P300 by choosing an unused output and routing just the far end to it. Let's use Dante output 2. Now go to the Matrix Mixer tab and route all far-end sources to P300 AEC ref. Additionally, let's go to the Auto Mixer tab and enable Always On for the presenter mic. This will ensure the presenter is always heard, even when members of the audience speak. Also, for this room, we set NLP to low and gating sensitivity to 3. A great feature of the P300 is the ability to control the MXA910's LED to show mute status without the need for additional programming. In the Inputs tab of the P300, go to the bottom of the page and check any one of the Logic Enable boxes. Now when the output of the P300 auto mixer is muted, the LEDs automatically change color. The P300 can also synchronize your mute status with leading video conferencing codecs. Now we have a training room with two MXA910s to cover the audience and an MXW lav for the presenter. Both the 910s and the MXW are being sent to the far end of a video conferencing call, while my presenter mic is also being used for sound reinforcement. I've brought in Lisa to help you hear what the MXA910s sound like.
Thanks, Scott. This is what it sounds like in the audience through the MXA910.
For more information, visit our website. Thanks for watching.